Number 4 asks us to find the area of this rectangle with a semicircle on top. So for the semicircle, we want half of the pi and radius squared, and then for the rectangle, we want the length times the width. This rectangle, if you count the little squares inside, is a 4 by 4, which gives you an area of 16. And up here, the radius is 2. So 2 squared is the same as 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. So we have 2 pi, which comes out to about 6.28. If you use 3.14, if you use your pi button, it might round to 6.28. To find the total area of this shape, you need to add them. So we have 16 plus 6 is going to give you 22, and then you have that 0.28 tacked on to the end. In number 5, we have a trapezoid type shape, which we can cut into a rectangle and a triangle. The rectangle has a base that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wide, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tall, which means my triangle is also 8 wide, but it's going to be 3 tall. The area of a triangle is half of the length times the width, or the base times the height, depending on how you label it. And the area of the rectangle is the length times the width. Here I have a length of 8 and a width of 7, so I have 8 times 7, which is 56. The triangle, we have that half. The length is 8 and the width is 3. 8 times 3 is 24, and half of 24 is 12. So the total is going to be 56 plus 12, which gives you 68 square units.